Inflatable stand-up paddleboards, ISUPs, have transformed how people access, transport, and store watercraft for leisure, fitness, and exploration. The convergence of drop-stitch construction, high-pressure capabilities, and affordable bundled packages means enthusiasts can own boards that rival rigid epoxy boards without the bulk. In this comparison, I test 5 popular ISUPs spanning a budget option and premium contenders to evaluate build quality, stability, performance, and value. Product number 1, ROK's 10.5-foot ISUP. ROK's 10.5-foot ISUP is marketed as a wide, all-around board designed for all skill levels, with a 350-pound weight limit and a 6-inch thickness. It ships with premium accessories and carries a 3-year manufacturer warranty. The board uses high-grade PVC and drop-stitch technology that ROK claims makes it 50% stronger than competitors, reinforcing durability for diverse conditions. With dimensions of approximately 126 inches in length and 33 inches in width, the board prioritizes stability and user confidence, particularly for beginners or riders sharing with kids or pets. Pros include the generous weight capacity, broad deck footprint, and a strong warranty. Cons may include heavier overall weight in the mid-14 kilogram range and a slightly less compact footprint for travel compared to lighter boards in the group. Key specs: 126L, 33W, 6 thick, max 350 pounds, 8 kilogram item weight, 3-year warranty, included premium accessories, USA-based brand reliability. Performance-wise, the ROK package emphasizes stability and ease of use. The 33-inch wide deck paired with premium EVA non-slip padding makes it forgiving for new paddlers and downstream family activities. Product number 2, ROK Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle. This ROK model sits at the premium end of the lineup with a 33-inch wide deck, a 350-pound capacity, and a complete adventure package. It emphasizes portability and quick setup, inflating in under 10 minutes and including an adjustable aluminum paddle, high-pressure pump, premium travel backpack, safety leash, and removable fins. The board weighs about 13.5 kilograms and measures 120 inches in length with a 6-inch thickness. Pros include the comprehensive accessory set, robust 50% stronger materials claim, and a remarkable weight capacity. Cons include the heavier weight for solo transportation and a price that sits at the upper end of the range for a single board, though the bundle adds value for new riders seeking a turnkey solution. Performance and user experience show that the combination of durable PVC with advanced drop-stitch technology yields a solid, rigid feel once inflated, contributing to dependable tracking and stability during cruising and light fishing. Product number 3, Niffian Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle. Niffian offers a 10'6" ISUP with a 33-inch wide deck and a substantial 450-pound weight capacity, supported by a 3-year warranty and a 30-day return policy. The package includes an adjustable paddle, detachable fins, leash, pump, backpack, waterproof bag, repair kit, and instructions. The board weighs 8.55 kilograms and features 11 D-rings for added customization, such as attaching a kayak seat or securing extra gear. The 450-pound rating is a standout strength for families with gear or larger riders. Pros include the high load capacity, versatile D-ring configuration, and comprehensive accessory set. Cons might include heavier usage in rough water is common for boards of this width, and Niffian's newer market presence relative to ROK can impact perceived brand reliability for some buyers. Performance analysis reveals that Niffian prioritizes adaptability and practicality for diverse activities like yoga, fishing, and pet-friendly rides, supported by anti-slip EVA deck traction for comfort. Product number 4, Inflatable Paddleboards Stand-Up Paddle. The budget option in this lineup, XHY-CPY, emphasizes value with a 10.3 length, 31 width, and 6-inch thickness, supporting up to 350 pounds. It ships with a dual-action pump with gauge, adjustable paddle, repair kit, backpack, leash, and removable fin. It features a 15 psi maximum pressure and a 90-day warranty. The design highlights a 6-inch core with 5.9-inch reinforced DWF fabric, aiming to deliver a stable platform at a lower price point. Pros include excellent value for money, included pump gauge, and compact package for starters. Cons include the shorter length relative to rock options, lighter construction claims that may translate to less rigid feel at higher speeds, and a shorter warranty window. In terms of real-world use, XHY CPY is well suited for casual cruising, family outings, and learning the basics of balance on the water. Product number 5. Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle. This rock model mirrors the 10'6" design and premium accessory bundle, but with a violet color variant. It shares the same 350-pound capacity, 6-inch thickness, and broad deck geometry intended to optimize stability and ease of use. The package includes a premium paddleboard pack with a high level of finish and Rock's reputed customer support. Pros include the 3-year warranty, trusted Rock build quality, and high weight capacity. Cons align with Rock's premium positioning, heavier package weight, and higher price compared to the budget option. The color variation may appeal to users seeking a particular aesthetic cue. Performance-wise, the Rock 10'6" remains a versatile all-around board suitable for families, beginners, and casual paddlers. The 33-inch width provides stable stance space, while the included premium accessories reduce the need for additional purchases.